Bella's balloon adventure. In a small, cozy town lived a curious girl named Bella, who dreamed of exploring the world. One starry night, a glowing, magical balloon landed in her backyard. Bella excitedly climbed into the balloon's basket, and it gently lifted off into the night sky. The balloon whisked Bella away to her first stop, the rolling hills of Scotland. In Scotland, Bella danced to bagpipe music and made friends with a friendly Scotty dog. Next, the balloon took her to the bustling streets of Tokyo, Japan. She learned to make sushi and folded beautiful origami birds with new friends. Her journey continued over the majestic pyramids of Egypt. In Egypt, Bella discovered ancient hieroglyphics and rode a friendly camel. Then, off to Paris, where the Eiffel Tower twinkled under the moonlight. In Paris, she painted by the Seine and enjoyed delicious pastries. The adventure took her next to the colorful streets of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Bella danced in the carnival and played soccer with new friends. Across the oceans, the magical balloon reached the snowy landscapes of Antarctica. She met scientists and learned about penguins and seals. As the balloon soared across different lands, Bella discovered wonderful cultures. Everywhere she went, Bella made friends, sharing stories and laughter. As the journey ended, Bella realized that the world was full of wonders to explore. The magical balloon brought her safely back home, filled with unforgettable memories. Bella knew that this was just the beginning of her adventures around the world. Time to sleep. Good night, baby.